Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and these solar lights are just the most magical things I have ever seen.
I am obsessed with having solar lights in my yard in as many places as possible. And these ones from Vignuto are so beautiful. They are extremely well made and easy to install. And look how gorgeous they are at night. They are so extremely bright, but not overwhelming. They look like having little fireflies or fairies all over your yard. And even during the day, they add just like a cute little touch to all of my various flower beds. Whenever I pull in the driveway at night and I see all of these gorgeous lights all over my yard, I look at my husband and I say, "Look how beautiful our yard is," every single time.
I cannot wait for night to fall every night now that I have these beautiful solar lights in my garden. They really have just added so much beauty and whimsy to the front yard. I am obsessed, and I think that you will be too. And that's my point of view.